Hey people, so this is wow. This is we are. Ayush, let her take a picture. Wow, we are at this place called Thank God It's Friday, and this for it's on the expensive side. For 550 you get this
In a plate,
thing. Yeah, take some plate.
Oh yeah, you want to
Yeah,
What do you want?
come.
Give me a
Yeah,
plate.
take. Yeah, I'll just do a review of it probably. So, I'll just take a bite and tell us.
Cheese underneath.
Yeah.
That's better.
Yeah,
Just take a little bit of the vegetables.
but I think we'll need some sauce and all with it, na? No,
Yeah, Ashok is asking for sauce and stuff.
no. Actually, they have that dip or something, na? Huh. Ooh, so this is good.
Yeah, they owe that salsa.
Salsa. Ayush, how do you like it? You can tell us.
It just needs salsa.
Okay, so that's right. This is Thank God It's Friday, and I'm so glad we're here. So on that note, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.